Hello first standard students and their parents, welcome to PHAWADE Academy. This is one and only online learning platform where we provide your Maharashtra State Bureau school textbook videos. Standard 1 English medium. My dear little friends, take out your mathematics textbook, mathematics standard 1. Please hurry up. And notebook also, we learn today new chapter. Standard 1, open page number 27. Today we learn let us add. Add means addition. Yes. Please pay attention here. See here. One girl and one boy. Yes. Playing. They have a green and red color cube. Okay. See. This one girl catch red color block and saying this is my block, and this one boy touch here green color block and saying this is mine. Yes, means this one boy saying this one green color block is mine, and this one girl saying this one red color is my block. Okay, see, they together have two blocks. How many? Two. See, red color and green color. How many? Red and green. How many finger? Two finger. Yes, that type. See, count here 1 and 2. So 2. They means this one girl and boy. Yes, they together have two blocks. Together means if this one girl have a this one girl have a this one red color block, and this one boy taken this one green color separately, means they have only one block. But if they keep here together and playing, means two blocks. Yes, 1 plus 1 2 means what we doing? Add. Yes, addition. See downside. 2 add 2 numbers. Yes, for addition 2 add 2 numbers plus sign. In addition concept we using this one plus sign. This one sign called plus. Yes, sleeping line and standing line. Plus sign. When we doing addition, that time we using this one sign, plus sign. Okay. It is red as plus. All of you remember in ambulance doctor sign plus sign, but its color red. It is red as plus. Plus plus. Okay. The sign, this one two sleeping line called equal, shows equality. This one two sleeping line called equality. Yes, equal. This two small sleeping line showing equality. It is red as is equal to. Yes, when we using this one two sleeping line, we call saying equal to. Yes, see, with example we can see here. Okay, here are top. See, how many top? Top top 1 2. Yes, in bracket textbook given us 2 number. Yes, count you can here. See, 1 2. Okay, then 2 in number. Okay, and plus. See, here is one top, one number, means see, we two top and one. Yes, how we addition here? See, 2, we using this one plus sign here for addition, for a addition. Yes, 2 plus 1. How many? 1, 2, 3. 3. Yes, again see, 1, 2 plus 1. See, 2 top plus means add 1. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3. Same as 1, 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3. All of you understood? See, 1, 2, 3. Yes, that time. See here, one more example textbook given us. Here are lollipops. How many? Please, all of you count. 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. Yes, all of you please take out your pencil and write here. Count first lollipops and write here number. 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3 number. Yes, here see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, then plus, here are 2 lollipops. Count using plus. Okay, see, 1, 2. So write here 2. Okay, then in a big circle vowel shape we can draw 3 lollipops, and this 2 lollipops we adding here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding means we using here plus sign. Yes, and count all of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3 plus means 4 and 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus means count together. Yes, 3 and 2. See, 3 finger plus 2 fingers. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write here 5. Then see page number 28. Okay, here another activity for observation. Yes, textbook saying observe the addition train. Here are one train. Yes, this one engine means plus, plus. This one combine. Yes, combined, combine. Total, total, total. total, total. all, all. together, together. more, more. collect, collect. Means addition means what? When we doing addition, we using this one plus sign called plus. When we addition, that time we combine, combined, and making a total, total. When we doing addition, that time we taken all number together, all together. Okay, and addition means more. Yes, when we doing addition sum, that time suppose there are 1 ball, 2 ball, see, plus 1. Then how many? 1, 2, 3. Yes, that type. MORE means more. More means addition. Yes, collect. When we doing addition, we collect all numbers together. COLLECT, collect. Yes, see here. Are there any more words to show addition? Means above all words plus, combine, total, all together, more, collect, that all words showing we doing addition. For example, together, yes, draw beads to match the given numbers and add them. See here, together. Yes, for example, together. Suppose we draw here balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all are together. Yes, not separately. Yes, they all are in a group. See here, downside. Draw beads to match the given numbers and add them. Draw beads. How many? 3. So draw here 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Draw beads to match the given number. Here given number 3. So we draw here 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus here textbook given us 2. So draw here 2 beads. 1 and 2. Okay. Then take all together. 3 and 2. There are 2 groups. 3 beads and second one 2 beads. Okay. Both group we combine here, means plus together. Okay. Together. See here. Above plus, combine, total, all together, more and collect. See, one by one we can explain here. Yes, plus. We using this one plus sign when we doing addition. In this example we doing here addition. Okay, means we using here this one plus sign. Okay, the next combine. Combine means this one group, here are 3 beads and another group there are 2. We taken all combine. Yes, means together. We making here total, all together we taken. Here are more and here are less. See, more and less. And collect. See, all together we taken in addition, that together here. More. Here are more and here are less. See, more. And collect. We collect this one group and this one group. We combine here. We taken all beads together here using this one plus sign. Understood all that, all concept? Yes, my dear little friends. See, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Using this one plus and 2 take here. Make a together group. Yes, because we want to total here. We combined all beads. Yes, and you can see here this one group is a more. Yes, this one less and this one also less. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we making a total. Yes, we collect. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Then write here 5 numbers. Yes, my dear little friends, all of you understood this one plus sign plus, this one combined, then this one total, all together, more and collect. Yes, when we doing addition, yes, that time we using all bits together and counting. Yes, means we making a more. Yes, we collect all things together. All of you understood? And we got 5 bits. Then another one example are here. Count, count, count the picture. Count here picture and add. Yes, add means plus. Yes, see, count first one. 1, 2, 3. How many fish are there? 3. So 3 are here. Textbook already written here 3. Yes, how many? 1, 2, 3. When we doing addition, first count and add and then write. Yes, using equal sign. Please pay attention, it's a very important, because this one lesson is your math foundation. Yes, my dear little friends. See, 1, 2, 3. So we write here 3. And this one number, how we write in word? THREE 3. Yes, plus PLUS, plus means we collect, we combine this one also, we add this one also in this one group and making more big group. Yes, how many count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write here 5. And this one 5, how we write in word? This one 5 number spelling FIVE. And for this one group 3 fish and this one 5 fishes, we equaled, we addition, we using this one equal sign, calling EQUAL equal to. Yes, for addition, plus and equal sign is a very important. 3 plus 5 equal to how many? Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, equal to 8. And this one 8 number spelling or in word, how we write? EIGHT. Yes, all of you understood? Then see next, another one for us. Here are few frogs. Yes, then let's count and write numbers downside. Yes, yes, all of you please listen carefully, count and write. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs. Plus, when we join two groups using between this one plus sign, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 frogs. Plus, because we doing here addition, we add this one group and this one frog group. Yes, so in between we using this one plus sign. Okay, in second group 1, 2, 3. So write here 3 equal to, because we want that all frogs together. Yes, we want more big group making this one frogs. So we count together 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5, 6, 7 equal to 7. Yes, 7. That type. And 7 spelling SEVEN. 7. The next, another example. My dear little friends, math is a very interesting. It's a game, it's a puzzle. Okay, so don't afraid. Keep in your mind, math is a very interesting, because we can play their puzzles and different activities, same as all of you like playing game with in your mummy papa's mobile? Same as in math textbook, there are games. Yes, you can solve easily. So please pay attention here. Next example, here are showing hands, and each and every hand there are 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write here 5. Plus here this one hand showing 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. 5 plus 4. How many? See. 5 plus 4. How many? Count all of you. This one 5. 6. 5 plus this one plus 6, 7, 8 and 9. So write here 9. 9 spelling N I N E. Yes, it's a very interesting. Yes, very interesting. Then see next one. Example, this one hand showing 4 finger. Yes, 4 finger. Plus this one hand also showing 4 fingers. 4 plus 4. Using plus means we doing addition here. Then let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So 4 plus 4 equal 8. So write here 8, and 8 number spelling E I G H T. Yes, it's a very interesting. I hope you enjoy this one lecture. Keep watching next interesting math video. Till it, bye bye. Take care yourself and your parents.